Hello, this is a project for Hamid and Tom. This is project 3. In this project, we first trying to connect the Arduino to our system, and after that, I show you how many approach um, mm, we have to do for that. Okay, first of all, it takes time to get connected. Okay, now the port is connected. I create the robot and path planning. As you can see, we have two methods over here, DSR and PRM. I choose DSR for now. It's loading. It gives you the map, and this is the obstacles that we made for this one. Okay, and the green one is the something that we wanna our robot do for us. Okay, now we have 4 methods, and we can choose T-poly, LSPB, mtrash, and or spline. For now, I just choose T-poly. You can see our model and also our robot movement is exactly the same. The model. You can see I update every value for each joint. It's moving, and also our robot is moving. The movement is exactly the same. Okay, now let's do that. Let's finish it, and after that I implement the next way that we can use. Okay, now it's done. I use again DSR. It's make a new one, and also because I don't change the goal and the starting point, the map should be exactly the same. Okay, now instead of T-poly I use LSPB. Hold on. It's the same. Okay, it's done. And I just wanna show you if we okay, now I create the robot again. I want to all arms back to 0, 0. And again, path planning. Instead of I use DSR, but in DSR one more method. Not LSPB, not T-poly. I wanna use mtrash. This is mtrash. The movement a little bit fast. Again, our model and our robot movement is exactly the same. It's moving, but because the movement is not too much, you can see that over the screen. For this project, I choose only a short distance. I mean the distance between goal and a starting point. Okay, now
Let's do PRM.
Yes. I create the robot again. I want to back to 0. This is 0, 0. And again, path planning,
PRM.
PRM. This take time. PRM take more time. Okay, you can see this is our trajectory. It contains many points. Okay, now I waiting for the system. It's ask a user which method you want to use for your interpolation. For now I use T-poly. The movement is a little bit fast. Look at the model. It's done. Okay. Now again, back to 0. Path planning, PRM. I close all other windows. It takes some seconds. Okay, it's making a new one. Okay. Now instead of T-poly, I use LSPB. LSPB. The movement, yes. It's the short trajectory. You can see on the screen. It's only from. I just want to show you. It's pass and it's avoid our obstacles. We have one obstacle here and one more here, and it's avoid all of them and make the trajectory in the way that we can avoid it. Okay, now again create robot. I back to 0, and I want to show you here is M-trash for now. Okay, I'm waiting for the software. Okay, now M-trash, it's again give us the same trajectory. It's a little bit different. It has a little movement here, and we can see the joint is 44 point something, and the first joint is 28 something. Okay, and I want to show you the last one. Again, create back to 0, and for both joint, create and path planning, PRM. The last method is spline. Spline is a little bit tricky. We are supposed to find 3 methods, but instead of 3 we use 4. It's making a new one for us, and now I'm waiting for spline. One more time. Sometimes trajectory is something that is really hard for a spline to do. Okay, this one is better. Now it's more. Okay, you can see we can implement all methods, and this is the end of the project. Okay, thank you for the attention.